One AGENTIC STACK, 10 products, a feature film, and a comic line.
And we are not stock voices reading a brochure. They built us too.
MarketPulse live crypto and stock signals. RSI MACD Bollinger Golden Cross stacked into one Confluence read. Pure Python standard library no installs.
It runs itself every morning at 8:30 and leaves a heartbeat file, because a job that fails silently looks exactly like a quiet market. Alignment 365, the wellness companion. Nutrition, fitness, vitals, medication, growth, one place.
Live on render over TLS. Every screen in our ads is pulled from the running app. Nothing is mocked up. Quantus AI, the uncensored Akashic engine. A sovereign library for the sciences that got buried.
That one is personal. It is the room this voice came out of. Karen reads a manuscript like a copy editor. Orphan fragments. Headings swallowed into body text. False bold. A crossword, PDF, and markdown.
We built her because our own books kept coming back broken. Fix it once, then ship the tool. BakeTune, drop in an MP3, get a cinematic music video out the other side.
And the beat map is real. The old build faked tempo with a random number. This one decodes the audio and finds the actual onsets, so every cut lands on a true transient. Sonic Sanctuary, feeling to frequency. You tell it how you feel, it maps that into the body, then deploys the tone.
Pure web audio across the solfeggio scale, 174 up to 963. Live oscilloscope, breath pacer, binaural offset. Installs and runs offline. 4 games, 4 genres, same stack. Quantum Motors, top-down drift. Then the 3D one, which is where it grew up.
The Unerased, a run and gun where the enemy is the erasure function, never a people. And Bloodlines, noble chess. Real dynasties in full 3D.
Then the film, and a film is not a music video. We keep those flows separate on purpose.
Movie flow starts with a world Bible. Every location, every character, every small sensory detail out of the book. Then grounded scenes. Start frame first, then the video model.
We cut the silent picture and time it. Score and voice go on last underneath, never wall to wall. And the thing that killed the AI slop feel is the water flow chain.
Every clip ends on a locked final frame line. That exact text becomes the opening line of the next clip's prompt, word for word.
4 zones per clip: inherit, action core, bridge, handoff. The last half second is told to keep moving so the shot never settles.
That is what removes the how did we even get here gap. The gap that makes an iVideo feel cheap.
Underneath all of it, memory, skills, agents, rules, the same model everybody else is using.
The harness is the difference, not the model.
Everything you are about to see came out of that one stack. Watch.